Keeping your cat's teeth clean is important for their health and happiness. Like people, cats can develop plaque and gum disease if their teeth are not cared for. The good news is that with simple steps and regular care, you can help keep your cat's teeth healthy at home. Start slowly by gently lifting your cat's lips for a few seconds each day, and reward them with praise or treats. Once they are comfortable, introduce a cat toothbrush, which is smaller and softer than regular ones. Be patient and calm during this process to help your cat feel safe. Try brushing just few teeth at first, and then gradually increasing the time as your cat gets used to it. Consistency is key to making toothbrushing a regular and stress-free routine. Before brushing, let your cat smell and taste the pet toothpaste so they get used to it. Many pet types of toothpaste come in flavors like chicken or tuna, which cats usually find appealing. The toothpaste removes food debris and plaque, fights bad breath, and supports dental health with a safe triple enzyme blend when used daily. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to the brush and gently lift your cat's lip. Start by brushing just a few teeth using short, gentle strokes. Focus on the outer surfaces of the teeth, especially the back molars where plaque tends to build up the most. You do not need to force your cat's mouth open, just lifting the lips is enough for a good cleaning. At first, you might only be able to brush 1 or 2 teeth, and that is okay. Do not rush or force it. Try to make the experience positive with lots of praise or a small treat afterward. Over time, you can gradually increase the number of teeth you brush. Your goal is to brush your cat's teeth a few times a week, but even once or twice a week can make a big difference. In addition to brushing, there are other ways to help keep your cat's teeth clean. Dental treats and dental diets are specially designed to help reduce plaque and tartar as your cat chews. These can be a great addition to brushing, especially if your cat resists the toothbrush. Look for products approved by veterinary dental organizations for the best results. Water additives are an easy way to support your cat's dental health by adding them to their drinking water. These additives help fight plaque and tartar, while freshening your pet's breath without the need for brushing. Unlike some products, they are odorless and tasteless, so picky pets won't even notice them. Recommended by veterinarians, these water additives clean teeth and gums effectively and safely. Made with high-quality ingredients, they provide a quick and easy solution for maintaining your pet's oral hygiene. Regular use can help prevent dental problems and keep your cat's mouth healthy. Dental wipes made for cats provide an easy and effective way to maintain your cat's oral hygiene, especially when brushing is difficult. These gentle wipes help keep your cat's teeth and gums clean by reducing tartar and freshening breath, which supports overall dental health. Since they are safe to use even if licked or swallowed, they are a convenient option for busy pet owners. Using dental wipes regularly can prevent dental problems and improve your cat's comfort, making them a valuable part of your cat's dental care routine. Additionally, they are perfect for travel or quick cleanups after meals, ensuring your cat's mouth stays healthy no matter where you are. Plaque-Off powder is a helpful addition to your cat's dental care routine, working naturally to reduce plaque and tartar buildup that cause bad breath and gum problems. Made from seaweed extract, it supports healthier teeth and gums by targeting bacteria in your pet's mouth. This easy-to-use powder can be sprinkled on your cat's food daily, making it a convenient way to improve oral hygiene. Using this product regularly can prevent dental problems and contribute to your cat's overall health and comfort. It is a safe, natural solution to support your cat's ongoing dental care. Regular dental checkups with your veterinarian are also very important. Your vet can examine your cat's teeth during yearly visits and recommend a professional dental cleaning if needed. You should never try to scrape tartar off your cat's teeth yourself with tools, as this can damage the teeth or gums and cause more harm than good. Always rely on your vet for anything beyond gentle at-home care. If your cat does not like brushing, do not worry or give up. Keep slowly getting your cat used to having their mouth touched. Some cats need more time to adjust, but with patience and care, you will likely find a method that works. Remember to always make dental care a calm and positive experience. Choose a quiet time when your cat is relaxed, and keep sessions short at first. If your cat becomes stressed or upset, stop and try again later. You know your cat best, so go at their pace. With consistency and gentle care, you can help keep your cat's teeth clean and support their overall health for years to come.